Hi guys, what a pretty day, huh? No rain today. I want to tell you a little bit about a Freedom Express. These are small trailers made by Coachmen that are super high quality. I think that you'll like it. It's a small trailer, so you can get in anywhere, anytime without any problem. I think it's like a 19-footer. So you got an electric tongue jack right here and a light, which is super nice. Some diamond plate to protect the coating. A nice gel cap right here that is a way of creating some better aerodynamics. Also has some LED lighting on it, some track lighting on the top. This is called a Freedom Express Pilot. So as you come around, you've got nice storage under here. There's a cable hook up here. It's got a lot and a little. Come on in here and take a look. So this is designed for a couple of people, or maybe an individual that's going to just have a friend that visits from time to time. You have a nice comfortable bed here, lots of storage overhead. This is very nice cabinetry that will last for years and years and years. It's got a little kitchen area here and a fireplace, which is handy dandy because that'll give you some heating when you don't want to burn your propane. This little TV pops out. It's just 28, I think it's a 30-inch TV. But the fireplace, the TV, the sound system is beautiful. You've got a nice microwave here and a couple of burners. So like I said, this is not a trailer that you're going to go cross country in, or you could. You know, it certainly would withstand the travel. It's got a small slide here that opens up, so now you've got a comfortable couch to sit on. And we have a folding table as a dinette. We forfeited the dinette. But they were very thoughtful, and they put these nice cup holders here that are also a charging station for your media. So if you're on a laptop or your cell phone or whatever the case may be, you don't have to wander around wondering where there's a charging station. Cabinetry overhead, lighting overhead. They've just done a very nice job with this unit. I like the fact that they use these shades, if I can get at it. It's a darker shade. The windows are tinted on the outside, and so in the evening you're able to see in here, but during the day, during the evening you want to pull this shade down. During the daytime you have a lot of tint on them, so they just basically give you a lot of privacy. This is a nice little drawer for your utensils. You notice that you've got shelving in here for your pots and pans and other things. Some more storage over here, a lot of storage there, and a lot of it there. A deck of drawers. It's got a nice little bathroom. It's got a sensible bathroom. So what you see in there is a ditty box that goes along. It's the remotes and all that stuff. But you do have a porcelain toilet, a nice basin and vanity, and a comfortable shower with a skylight. In a trailer this size, we normally see a very small refrigerator. I bet the refrigerator isn't any bigger than this cabinet. But because this is a Coachmen product, they have put in a really nice fridge. This is what you need. You've got a great big refrigerator here. It's a double door. You can put enough food in here to be out here for a couple of weeks. And again, more pantry space here. It's a nice little unit. This is called a Freedom Express Pilot. And I want to remind myself exactly what model it is. I believe that it is the 192 front bed with the slide, FBS 192. So a 19-foot trailer with a really nice bed, a fireplace, air conditioning, a great bathroom. Come on out and take a look at it. This thing only weighs 3,600 pounds, 3,672. You could probably pull it with a car if you had a big enough one. My name is Barb. I like to have a lot of fun doing this. Please give me a call, ask me some questions, come out and see me. I'm at 541-521-4232, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.